If we look at the same free falling case in the form of a graph, तो हम कैसे शुरू करेंगे? At first air resistance is small and the person accelerates. सबसे पहले क्या था कि जो air resistance था that was, नहीं यहाँ पे उल्टा हो गया, ये air resistance would be smaller, ठीक है, and weight would be greater. क्या होगा? Air resistance was smaller and weight was greater. So the person would accelerate. तो यहाँ पे you can see that the gradient of the graph is actually accelerating. आपकी जो speed है, there is a change in speed, there is a change in velocity, and change in velocity is known as acceleration. So this is your case number 1, जहाँ पे at first air resistance is small and the person is actually accelerating. As the person speeds up, the air resistance now starts to increase. जैसे जैसे आपकी speed increase होती है, air resistance also starts to increase. After a while, the air resistance balances the weight. This is the case number 2, जहाँ पे आपका weight equal to air resistance हो गया है, and the person now travels at a constant terminal velocity. When the parachute is open, there is a large upward force. अब ये आपका scenario 3 आ गया कि after a while जब parachute open हो गया है, तो क्या हो रहा है? एक large upward force लगी, which causes the person to actually decelerate. अब आपकी जो acceleration है, that would start to decrease. यहाँ पे acceleration first case में increase हो रही थी. In the second case, the acceleration was 0, and in the second case, the acceleration is decreasing, which means decelerating due to the opening of the parachute. Eventually, the forces balance once more, and the person reaches a new, much lower terminal velocity. एक fourth case भी आता है जब दोबारा से again weight would be equal to the air resistance, and the person would again fall at a constant velocity and would finally land by the help of a parachute.